Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Everycom Tri-Mini Extendable Tripod. Now on the front side of the packaging, we can see what the product looks like, and it's also one of the use cases being demonstrated. On the right hand side, we can see some of the color options that are available. One is silver and the other is black. We don't know which one we've got. And on the other side, we've got a couple of features being highlighted. First being that it is multi-purpose, so this can work with smartphones, digital cameras, small projectors, and much more. Then there's the extendable height feature, so this can go from 14 centimeters up to 20 centimeters. And lastly is the adjustable mount. That thing can tilt up to 90 degrees or by 90 degrees. On the back side of the packaging, again, we get to see all those features that we just saw being highlighted again. Aside from that, we get to see that this thing has a smartphone holder clip inside the packaging along with a carry pouch. Then there's an authenticity sticker at the bottom. You can scratch this to get or rather to check whether this product is genuine or not. Then you've got the manufacturer's contact information and some specifications regarding the product itself. The only one that is of importance is that this uses aluminum alloy for construction. There's nothing else of importance, so we'll just go ahead and unbox the product. Inside the packaging, we've got the mini tripod, the smartphone clip, and the carrying pouch. And these are the extendable legs that we saw mentioned on the packaging. They extend from the bottom and you can adjust them as per your needs. Then you've got the mount on the top. To adjust that, you'll need to unscrew this little screw on the left, and then you can play around with it, adjust it, bring it up all the way or bring it down by 90 degrees and get whatever orientation you'd want. Then there's the smartphone clip. This is what would go around your smartphone to hold it in place. And then the clip goes on top of the mount. Once fully assembled, this is what the product looks like. So that's it for the unboxing of the Everycom Tri-Mini Extendable Tripod. Thank you for watching.